Disclaimer: do not try this at home. The following test was done by a headset professional.
In this video, we are going to test the durability on this Discover D312U. So let's see how durable this headset is. All right, so let's just load it up here. Luckily, this headset is collapsible, so it'll fit in here. All right, and then we just put that top on. Of course, safety first. We got to make sure that our glasses are on here. And so the blender cut out and wasn't able to complete the job of taking out this Discover D312U. That's how durable this headset is. Check it out on the link below. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you next time.